What else, guys? It's a free open source. It will and guys, what the thing easily the third party tool easily we can integrate with Selenium. Okay, easily as I mentioned, no, instead of spending a lot of money on the Selenium grid, what they have done, they have got some third party tools. Let's say, for example, if you want to play videos in your mobile, we have different video players. We have VLC player, we have MX player. Got it, Sharada, Rasul? Like that, easily we can integrate third party tool into Selenium. We can integrate third party tools into Selenium. I will tell you what are the third party example. TestNG, one of the third party tool which will allow us to validate the functionalities. I mean, either we are getting actual correct result or not, we can take the TestNG help. The TestNG we can easily integrate with Selenium. Clear, guys? These are the some of the advantages. Might be there are a lot of things. No need to discuss those things. If you get, if you want, you guys can explore on the internet. Okay. These are the some of the advantages. Mainly, it will support all programming languages, all operating system. Okay, and it will support for all browsers and the free of cost. We easily we can download from the internet and we can use it. Okay. What are the disadvantages, guys? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
What is Selenium? Yeah.
Web automation tool.
Correct. Apart from web, it sorry.
Investment is high.
Yeah, there is investment is no investment only, Asha. It's a free tool.
So due to free of cost, there is no
Hmm.
supporting team, sir.
No, we will get the support, Teja. Nowadays
From
we will get.
Selenium tool, sir.
Yes, from Selenium we will get the support. That means, let's say we will get, we have to learn. If they are not supporting, we can't question them because we are not paying anything to them.
Yes, sir. That's why, sir.
Yeah. We can take it that as advantage. But nowadays, if you know how to search in the Google, we will get a lot of blogs will be available, lot of videos will be available. We will get it. That's not that much big disadvantage. Okay. The disadvantage is, guys, Selenium will not support desktop applications.
Yes, sir. Only web.
Correct. Only web-based application. What is the desktop application?
For example,
Guys, let's say if I ask you to automate
MS
the
Excel,
Word,
MS
MS Word,
Word,
or
MS Excel
PPT,
Word.
let's say calculations.
I
Okay,
think we
let's
have
say
one more
Notepad.
wrap. Yeah.
Notepad. So we can't automate by using Selenium. Selenium will not support to automate. Otherwise, Selenium will not support to desktop application automation. QTP will support, guys. QTP is the paid tool. It will support both the web and desktop. Okay, nowadays 99% of applications are web-based applications only. If you take Amazon, Flipkart, anything, it will be with the help of internet only we can open. Clear now, Rasul?
Yes.
Okay, and some more thing, guys. So Selenium will not support to automate barcodes and captcha. It will not support. It will not automate captcha barcodes. Hope everybody knows about this barcode and captcha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's say, for example, then now we can do that. As a testing we need to automate. Let's say, for example, if I ask you guys to automate or create an account in the rediffmail.com, here you can see we have to enter this captcha. One time, one captcha will come. Let's say now DH3R coming. Next time if I open, something else is coming. This is nothing but a captcha, guys. We can't automate this one by using Selenium. Then now we can enter without
Using third
entering this
party,
captcha. Sorry, Teja, what now
using
we will
third
do?
party, using
Use it?
third party tools.
No. We should not automate this kind of thing. Let's say what Selenium guys are telling. What we should not do. Discourage. If you see the discouragement means, you can see here they captures. They are discouraging. Don't automate the captures by seeing the taking the third party tools and all. See, performance testing also don't encourage by Selenium. It won't support. And two-factor authentication. What is two-factor authentication means? Let's say, for example, if you want to log into an application, first you have to enter your username, password. Then after you have to get the OTP to your mobile, then you have to enter it. That is the nowadays all the application coming with the two-factor authentication. We won't automate this kind of things. Clear, Rasul? They are
Yes, sir.
discouraging these behaviors. We should not automate this kind of scenarios by using Selenium. Even though by adding third-party tool also, they are not encouraging. Got it? You people can refer this URL, what and all, it won't support. These are some of the disadvantages because it is only specially designed for web-based automation, web application automation tool. Clear? Guys, captcha and barcode, it won't allow. Then now we can test. What we will do, no, guys? Anyway, what are the different environments we have in the testing domain? Let's say in the application, in the SDLC, or if you want to develop anything, it has to go to the different environments. Can you guys tell me, Asha, what are the different environments?
A development environment,
Correct.
testing environment,
Mhm.
production environment,
Yes. In between, there is one more environment. Teja, what is that?
environment setup.
Environment is nothing but a one people has to access only that. See, development people has to develop the information in the development environment. Tester has to test in the test environment. What is the production means live environment. Whatever guys with the start with www dot. This and all we can say live environment or production environment. If it is in the test means it will be like something like test dot selenium dot like that. Okay, clear guys? Rasul, clear?
Yes.
Now how we will do this testing capture? We have to do, guys, when you are automating, we need to ask the developers to disable that captcha. That means instead of bringing the values from here, whatever you enter here, it should accept only in the test environment. If you go to production, as usual, the captcha should work. Clear, Rasul, this point?
Mm,
Only in test environment they have to disable, otherwise they have to allow automation script to if you pass any value, it should create the account. Like that they will do that. Okay, but in the through Selenium we can't automate the captcha. And barcodes, hope you guys know it. Barcodes, if you go to any supermarket, anything, the for each item there will be a barcode. That barcodes we can't automate. Clear, Rasul, Sharada?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Barcodes, let's say for example, let's see this kind of things. These are the barcodes. Let me show it in the images like this. See, if I mouse over, some barcode will come. This is the barcode 9731. Something is coming no so this we can't automate. Let's say for example, one application is there. This is the barcode. We can't automate. We can't read this information by using Selenium tool. Either we have to do manually, otherwise we have to ignore. So, but Selenium will not support. Clear? Anybody have any question? What are the disadvantages of Selenium? Asha,
Clear,
clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, if you want to start with Selenium, we need some softwares. Some software we need to install in our laptop. So, hope everybody having laptops. First question, Sharada.
Sir?
So you have laptop?
Yes, sir, but I am using phone only, sir.
No, now it's fine, Sharada. Next, going forward
Ah,
from
okay, sir. Okay.
tomorrow onwards, please try to log in. I mean, use the laptop. Okay. We have to
Okay,
do some
okay,
installations and all.
okay.
Teja, Gayatri, you have system or laptop? Anything is
Yes,
fine.
Lap. Sir.
Laptop you are having. Cool.
Yes.
I think. Uh, Radha Garu, I think you are also having laptop.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, Asha, you are also having. Now, guys, we have to do some prerequisite. Now, what is Selenium? Selenium is the browser automation or functional automation or web automation tool. In order to start with that Selenium WebDriver, as we mentioned, Selenium will support all programming language. But we are going to learn Selenium with Java programming language, guys. Because nowadays, most of the companies will follow Java. I can say the first preference. Next, after going, that's because Selenium, whatever the coding and the methods we will learn in the Selenium, we can do it any programming language. But we are concentrating on Java with Selenium. It will support, as I mentioned here, it will support all languages. It will support Python, it will support C Sharp, it will support JavaScript. Okay, got it, Teja?
yes, sir.
Selenium with Java, we are going to learn. Now, so before starting with the Selenium, we need to learn some basics of Java. Okay, what and all it's required. I can say that Java we can learn for 1 year. It's I think Sharada is the right person to say it. It's a 1 year subject. Correct, no, Sharada? 1 year we have to learn it. But
Yeah, yes, sir.
as a test engineer, we no need to spend that much time. We are not required that much of information from the Java. From Java, what and all concept we need to know. Let's only basics. Basics in the sense how to create the class, okay, method, okay, data types. Let's say method, how to create the package, okay, data types, then operators, okay, then loop conditions, loops, then condition statement. Anything else, Rasul?
Oops concepts.
Oops concepts.
Yeah, OOPS concepts also, whenever we want to develop the framework, then we have to use that one, okay,
Okay.
concept. But till let's I can say 5 years, till 5 years, 90% of the people won't get the chance to develop the framework. Okay, so what and all group concept I can say inheritance.
Inheritance.
Guys,
Polymers.
for interview purpose, we need to learn this concept. But during our Selenium, whatever we will learn, we won't use that one. Whenever the framework development will be there, that time we have to use. Let's say 5+ years of experience, guys. Now, if you have 2-3 years of, you will be contributing to the framework. You will won't be developed from the scratch. Clear, Rasul?
Yes.
Okay, inheritance, then polymorphism.
Dynamic binding.
Everything. I think you can learn it as for it's only for our knowledge, guys. Only for interview purpose, you need to
Yeah,
learn
okay.
this concept. Got it, Sharada? In polymorphism means method overloading, method overriding. That's only overloading and method overriding. What else, Rasul?
Interface.
Encapsulation,
Encapsulation.
interface,
Interface.
abstraction.
Abstraction.
These are the concepts, guys. This guys, this is nowhere related with Selenium. Clear, Rasul?
Arrays, sir. Arrays concept.
Yeah.
Arrays will not come to OOPS concept. That is separate.
Access modifiers, sir.
Sorry?
No need, sir. Access modifiers.
Yeah, I will mention. That's what. So where we can font, we can increase. Okay. That's what I'm telling. There are many concepts. It's a ocean. Said Java is the ocean. But we say till here I can tell if you know this basics, that is enough to start with the Selenium. Clear, Teja?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So you will be having, let's say, still you want for interview purpose, or you want to get more knowledge, you can check this access modifier. Anybody knows what are the access modifiers? We have public,
Public,
Private.
static,
Private, protected.
private, protected.
protected. Then we have a default. If you are
Default.
not mentioning anything, we will call it as a default. What is the
Yes,
name
sir.
itself? It will suggest access modifier. That means, let's say, for example, you have access card for only admin department. You can't go to the other department. Your access card will work only there. Like that. In Java also, we can restrict the accessing the some of the information. Okay, OOPS concept, RAS. And guys, okay, RAS, OOPS concept. OOPS means everything. This class, method, everything will come under OOPS only. Object-oriented
Yes, sir.
programming. Okay, these are especially some of the these things, guys. Nowhere related with Selenium. We have for
Constructors,
interview
sir.
purpose. We will need to learn it. Only if you know the definition, that is enough. Clear? Anything else, guys?
Constructor public, sir.
Huh?
Constructor.
Correct. It is a ocean. Teja, you can learn. You want to learn means you can learn. But as for the Selenium perspective, this much is enough. Constructor, you have a exception handling, collections. There are many things. But if you are keeping 5+ years of experience and you have to learn a lot of things, okay. Yes, and one more thing I forgot to mention: strings. Strings also very important. We have to. This is required for Selenium. Okay, and collections, guys. In the collection, it also lot of things will be there, but we require list and set concept. That is enough. Got it? If you still more want, if you can go through with exceptions. Clear, Teja?
Yes, sir.
But what I'm saying till here, till strings, no, this is more than enough to start with the Selenium, guys. Then, and I will tell you this also access modifier. And these things, only definition, we can't use it in Selenium for up to 5 years. After that, they will allow us to do the framework. Framework is nothing but a designing the things. Let's say, for example, you know the cooking, how beautifully you can do the cooking and how beautifully you can serve the people. That is only framework. With reusability code, we need to maintain. Let's say always we should not use open the browser like that. One time we will write the same thing, we will reuse it whenever it required. That is nothing but a framework. That time we will use this concepts and all. Clear, Teja?
Yes, sir.
These things, guys, these three and this exception handling, you guys parallelly when we start with the, I mean tomorrow onwards, I will start with the thing. Parallelly, whenever you people get the time, go through with things in the YouTube and all. If you get any doubts, I will be there to clarify. Clear, Teja, Rasul, Asha? These things are not required for Selenium. Got it, Teja? Any question? I will teach this one, list and set I will cover. What and all required for Selenium, I will teach it. Here only you people has to, just half an hour to 1 hour you people has to spend for arrays and OOPS concepts. That's it. Okay. Anybody have any
Yes, sir.
questions here? Rasul,
No,
Sharada,
nothing from me.
these are the main
Yes, sir.
concept we need to learn it. I will take it, guys. One by one we will learn. We will learn the data types. What are the data types? Operators, loops, conditional statements, strings. What is the access modifiers? We will learn all those things. Okay. First, we will start with the basics. Then we will start with Selenium. Clear, guys? These are the topics we required for Selenium. Java concept for Selenium. Okay. And guys, we required Eclipse tool to write the Java code. Eclipse is a tool where we will write our Java code. And Selenium also, we are doing with Selenium with Java, right? So that code also will write in Eclipse to write code. Till here, clear, guys? You stop here. If you guys know it, just to install the Java and Eclipse. If you don't know, tomorrow I will teach how we will download it. Okay.
Suresh, tomorrow I think it may not possible, right? We have
Yeah,
meeting.
guys. So we have a office call. Guys, during the daytime, when you get the free time, try to install Eclipse and Java. Okay. Can you guys do
Okay, sir.
that? Teja, you will try.
I did, sir. I did, sir,
Let me.
already.
Yeah. You already it is there, Teja.
Exam already is there, sir.
Eclipse is there. Java also there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
JDK,
you
sir.
are, sorry.
JDK, sir. I downloaded
Yeah,
JDK.
8.1. It should be more than 8.1. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
1.8 or 8. We will call 1.8. It should be more than that.
1.8, sir. I downloaded
Okay.
1.8.
Then no problem. Rasul also will be having. I think Radha Garu and Gayatri. Can you guys try in the Google and do the Eclipse and Java?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I will help you out. I will Gayatri. I will help you out if you get any. If you face any issue, just you ping me. I will help you out. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And Sharada also. Rasul, you help Sharada to do that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Anyway, Asha, you just open your laptop. I think already the things are installed in your laptop.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine, guys. So day after tomorrow we will meet it. By that time, guys, whenever you get the time, no, just go through with these concepts, Java concepts. These concepts is required for our Selenium learning. Okay.
Yes.
Anybody have any questions, guys? We will meet on day after tomorrow. That means Wednesday. Tomorrow we have other meetings, so that I couldn't able to take the class. Okay, Teja. Clear?
Okay, sir. Sure.
Clear.
Clear, sir.
So yeah, Teja, just to go through with this concept, Teja. It's a motion. If you want to learn more the
Yes,
things,
sir.
you can. Sorry.
Already I learned, sir, these
You
things
know
in
the
C
Java,
sharp.
Teja?
No, sir. Not
Okay.
and completely not, sir.
Okay.
Some basics levels and up
That's
to
enough.
whatever you mentioned in the concept. That I know, sir.
Then good. For you, it will be like a revision, so that you can also take some of the classes instead of me or teach other people.
No, sir. Not like that, sir.
Fine, Teja. Yeah. This is more than enough, Teja. If you want to explore, you can explore. But to start with the Selenium, these are more than enough. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Chalo, then we'll meet on Wednesday. Please try to get some basic knowledge on this Java concept, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for
Okay.
joining.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Asu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you,
We'll,
Suresh.
we'll
Thank you.
meet.
Bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye, all.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye, bye.